Swastiastu.
Hello everyone, so in this video we're gonna tell you how to make a nastar, but before that we will introduce ourselves first. So my name is Andini, number 30.
My name is Wayan Mahayasa, number 18.
My name is Salsabila Fitri, number 35.
My name is Selvia Novarita Bunga Ramatullah, number 36.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so these are the ingredients and materials. First, pineapple jam. You can make the jam by your own too, but on this video we bought the pineapple jam because we haven't enough time to make it. You can pause this part to see the ingredients and the steps. And then 2 eggs, cheese, you can pause this part to see the materials.
Until I found.
Okay, first put the egg yolks into the mixer. Second, cut the butter and then take about 350 grams of it. Mash the butter for easy mixing. Put the butter and fine granulated sugar into the mixer. And then mix them all. Don't forget to put the wheat flour into the bowl. Then butter the baking tray. Take the dough and round it the size of dough like a ping pong ball, then make a hole in the center of the dough to enter the pineapple jam. And don't forget to wash your hand first to stay clean and healthy. And then enter the pineapple jam to the dough it tightly, then close the hole. Then grate the cheese. of each cookie with egg yolk. Then, put the grated cheese on the top of the cookies. Now bake cake in oven temperature 175 degrees centigrade. Wait about 30 minutes or until cake is cooked.